Today we are going to discuss about the case study of the 3D printing machine. So what are the problems it will occur in the 3D printing machines and how to solve the problems. So most of the 3D printing machines are, first problem is the job orientation will be missing. Okay. Which point we want to start the product. So the point will be missing into some other areas in the web. So the product shape will be different for original shape. So this is the main problem. And also after completion of the process, you can remove from the plate by the product. The product will be stick in this plate. So we can remove by slicing or some other process. So that time the product will be damaged by the using tools of remove from the plate. So this is the major problem. And one more problem is the filament will be stuck. Sometimes the filament will be getting stuck, so the flow of the material is stopped. So this type of problems will be created in the 3D printing machine. And before that we can convert into SQL files. The file problem will be created by some other formats will be changed. After creating the SQL format file, we can use to slice the files into many. One big file will be converted into small files. That is called slicing. Okay. So each layer will be called one slice. So for example, this part will be created by the 1000 or 10,000 layers. So each layer is called one file. So that file will be converted into slicing methods. Okay. Then digitizing method. One more method is called digitizing. The product will be converted SQL format and slicing. After that, format will be changed into digitized. Digitized format only accept the reverse engineering process or other addition or subtraction process. So the major problem will be this type of problems. And one more, after one process completed, another process will be started by immediately. It is not working due to the heat problems. So the heater will be continuously heating the element. So the heater will be sometimes getting lower temperature, but that time the filament will be getting not melted in the fluid form. That will be semi-solid form. So the product will be converted into the low volts or some other error problems. So that will be one of the problem created in this 3D printing machine. So this will be operated in mostly air conditioned rooms due to the pollution. So atmospheric pollution will be also affecting this machine. So these are all only electronic systems. So the heat, the machine will be, the files, software will be getting crucial part of this machine manufacturing products. If the software will be corrupted due to overheating the methods. So the main problem of this machine is only for the coordinate point machine. First one, after slicing, after filament will be getting stretching, after filament the heater will be getting problems and then the filament not melted in the pure form of the liquid. So these are the main problems used in the case studies. So case study means you can choose one of the problems and how it will be solved. So these are all the general problems created in this machine. So you can search in Google or some other websites. What are the problems will be occurred in the 3D printing machine. You can choose one of the case study problems and how to solve the machines. Okay. So this is the way to solve the case study problem. Already informed some of the companies, unicorn thousand companies and Y Combinator companies. They have using many companies dealing in the business. They have more problems in the websites. You can choose any one of the website and get the problems and try to solve the problem, how to make the product in the country formation. So case study means like that. So this is very small machine, so we can rectify the problems immediately. So for our experience, these machines have in 2 or 3 years getting 10 to 15 times getting problems for the working times. In operating times they are getting so many problems. So we can rectify the problems all immediately due to the size of the machine and the parts which they will avoid easily. So we can change the parts and we use to continue. So basically means that is what is the problem, how to solve in the optimization solution. If you have one problem, we have 10 more solving points. But which one is the best? That is the optimization. That is depend on the cost wise, availability, time wise. These are all the characteristics to include in the